How to fix Pinterest pictures not showing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Pinterest. Try scrolling. If that does not fix, simply open Settings. In Settings, go to Mobile Network or Wi-Fi and Network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, and then switch to Wi-Fi. Try opening Pinterest. If that does not fix, go to Saved at the bottom right. Then click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. In here, you'll find all these options. Click on Privacy and Data. After you click on Privacy and Data, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Clear App Cache. Simply clear app cache, and then your cache will be cleared. If this does not fix, what you can do is go back on your main home screen, hold on to Pinterest, and then click on uninstall. Uninstall the app. After that, simply install the app, log in, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Pinterest pictures not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.